Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to exit Fastboot mode on this device. So if you entered Fastboot mode and you see these small letters here saying Fastboot mode, and you have no idea how to exit this strange mode, so what you have to do in this kind of situation, just hold down power key for about 10 or 15 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.